what's up? I'm going to be working in my office a lot, working on a DIY project where I'm doing some fall decor, working on doing some Halloween and some kind of generic fall kind of stuff here. So I'm gonna just give you a little sneak peek. There's a little sneak peek of what I'm working on. Today I am working in my office for a video that I'm working on for you guys. I've got dinner in the crock pot. We're having like a chicken taco thing that I love. The kitchen's mostly cleaned up. Everything's mostly done. Laundry's mostly done. I've also been working on getting my craft room a little bit more organized. And then we're gonna move on into next week, which is gonna be a lot more Halloween inspired as we work on into and closer to October. Testing. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Cora, and today we're going to be working on reorganizing and redesigning and redecorating my craft room. Tattooed hand looks cool. Trying to get that.
It's my best.
Best angle.
Best physical attribute.
Your tattoos?
My hand.
Well, I have enjoyed them. You go outside? Let's go outside. You ready to go outside? Come on. Let's go this way. Suave, gentle. Good boy. Come on. Yeah. What's that? You got my candle? Thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Your sunglasses? That was so cool. Owie, owie, ow, ow. Come on, let's go get some coffee and a snack. What are you doing? What's it? Lay down. Are you night? Are you sleepy? Night night.
That's a pumpkin from the pumpkin patch all by yourself. Here you go.
Hi, unicorn. What? What? You want up? Up, up.
Oh, we're gonna be so famous. Go get your costume.
What is that?
Are you sleepy? Hi, baby. I'm over here. Come on. Come on. Psst, psst, psst. How are you gonna get down? Come on. Come on. You did it. Come here. Hi. Hi, good cat. Oh, hi. Hi, buddy. Suave. Good job. You will understand. Whoa. No. Gentle. Suave. Gentle. Tired. Somebody's sleepy. The sad face.
we'd find like the frame to place the jack underneath. Something soft that's not gonna crush. See what I'm pointing? Look at my finger. Right here. Here,
Oh my
use
God.
the jack. Jack it up.
Pump it up. Pump the car up.
Up and down, up and down.
Oh, this is so much easier
There you
for Daddy.
Keep going. Yeah. Get it, girl.
Come on, you gotta keep
Why
going
does it
until the
get-
wheels are off the
Why
ground.
does it get harder every time?
Because you're lifting up the weight of the car. All the car's weight is on that now. Keep going.
Yeah, it's not up. Keep going. You need help?
No.
Alright.
I love it. The determination.
Yeah. Good.
That's my
The
kid.
wheels are almost up.
They're almost up.
Look at her
There you
go.
go.
Ninja warrior.
There you go.
So like
Yep. Use the leverage.
That's what they have to do on there. They have to figure out how to get their whole weight to pull it down.
And then
Yeah.
more weight to push it. There you go.
You got it.
Getting tired now.
no.
You gotta save a little bit of energy. She's just doesn't weigh enough. You're just too light. That's what it is.
The wheels are up, mister.
I know.
You gotta have enough room to slide under there.
Alright, now we're putting the jack stands.
Go over there.
What are those? What are those?
These are for safety.
No, I mean,
This is
what are those?
the weight of the car is going to sit on, because you don't want to ever rely on it sitting on the jack, because the jack can give out.
Yeah, it's got hydraulic fluid. If that starts leaking, it could go down slow and go boom, crush you.
This will ensure that we are safe underneath
Did
the
you get under this?
vehicular. Now we twist it counterclockwise slowly so it drops onto the jack stand.
Now don't push the car. It's up on those stands. Yeah, you wouldn't want somebody to go pushing it over.
Can I touch this?
Yeah,
Nothing's gonna happen to it.
you're gonna be going under it. So
No.
yeah,
Yeah, you're growing under it.
here you go, kid.
You are?
No.
Daddy's going with you.
Okay.
Go ahead.
You know,
Can
you're
you hand me that box?
like ant bait right now.
Ant bait.
Yeah, there's like ants everywhere. I almost hit the car.
Alright.
What am I supposed to do?
Come back here and I'll break the nut loose for you. And then you'll do this.
What you're doing is draining the old oil out. So what he's doing is he's taking the plug that's holding the old oil
You
in.
gonna put gloves on or?
Yes.
Do you have disposable gloves?
What?
I think Daddy's gonna get you some. He's got a pair of gloves for you. Go, Ashton, take the gloves. They're behind you.
Yes.
All the weird garage stuff in the background. Close the door. Good job, buddy. All right, go up under there, Ash. You can take a shower after this, okay?
No.
Well, you are, so.
See this right here?
Yes.
This is what we're gonna take all the way out, and then the oil is gonna come point. You'll scoot your head closer to me. Come over to me. Yeah. This is gonna spin all the way out, and then the oil is gonna fall into that.
Mommy's car.
Okay? Ready? You wanna do it?
No, I'm not ready. I don't want to do it.
Come
Do
on.
it. That's the fun part.
Give me your hand.
I don't want to do it.
All you gotta do is flick it out. Watch. See? Just wait.
I'm gonna get out now.
Okay.
Jackson, you wanna come under?
I want some gloves. New gloves out?
Give those to Jackson.
Give those to Jackson.
Is that red?
No, it's dark brown or black.
Looks like ink.
And we're putting it back in.
Wait, what? Why?
Jackson's under. He's ready.
Alright.
Look at him
Any
coming
more
under.
red-
Look at him. 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 Oh my god.
Oh, it's so tight.
Hey, look at him.
I can't get the bag.
Here.
What am I supposed to touch?
What am I supposed to touch?
What am I supposed to
Ashton's like, I don't
want
want it.
this bolt right here. Where'd that wrench go?
It's right here.
There you go, you got it.
Pass that to Daddy, Ash.
It's tight.
Pass that up to Daddy.
Thanks. Alright, ready? We're gonna tighten it with this. Put your hand on the wrench. Turn. Turn.
Hi, how are you?
That's it. Tightened it. Now we're gonna take this off. The oil filter. See? That spins too. But, hold on. You're underneath it. It's gonna drip all over you. So you gotta move a little bit.
Move over here, Bubba. There you go.
I gotta scoop this under it.
So it drips in there.
Yeah, watch your face.
Exactly, bud.
Scoot over a little bit.
Oh, I got it.
All right.
Ready?
It's okay.
Yeah, I got
It's
one
okay.
of my gloves.
It's all right.
Look, we're gonna.
Watch.
You wanna come over here? Right here?
Go over there to Daddy.
Just don't put your face on the.
Don't put your face on that.
Alright.
I got water on
It's okay. That's not water. That's oil.
Alright, look.
That's okay.
We're gonna
Don't touch your necklace.
loosen the oil filter.
There you go. Loosen it,
It's
Bubba.
gonna come out.
You see it?
There you go.
Ew.
Yeah.
What do you mean, ew? The oil. Can he be smelling this?
He'll be all right. It's
Don't
not.
touch your shirt with your hands.
Yeah, don't get it on your shirt, Bubba. Whoa, there's more. Yeah, Ashton, hand him the filter.
Ew. This one.
Oh, yep.
Is there anything in it?
No, not yet.
You ready, bud?
No. I know I'm not Bud.
He's taking a little bit of that oil and he's lubing up the new filter.
Yeah. It's not in a spot for you to see.
You like this, buddy?
Are we gonna lift the car up? Don't touch your
Yeah, you can lift it up later. Yeah, don't put your hands on your legs.
Alright, well, we're done under here.
Time to lift the car up. Jackson, that's what he wanted to do. Oh, oil's changed. Wait, Ashton, do you remember where that's supposed to go? What did Daddy tell you? Where does it need to line up underneath? A hard part of the frame, right?
When did we say that?
Earlier when he was telling you in the instructions, because it's important that it doesn't break.
Here, let me get it started.
You gotta pump it fast.
Ready? Let's pump it.
Pump fast, up and down.
Up and down.
Yeah, watch it going up.
No, you keep pumping it. Keep pumping it. Keep going.
What are you showing us in doing?
You gotta go up and down, Jackson. Up,
Up? Like,
All the way up and then all the way
now
down.
down.
Yeah.
There you go. You got it.
that's me.
That's alright, it's teamwork.
There you go. Push it down. You gotta keep pumping
Go!
Right after this.
it. Keep pumping it.
Pump.
Can we come back right after
Hold
this,
down.
please?
I don't know, baby, hold on.
Yeah.
Y'all need to take showers. It's school night. Well,
Alright, now get on top of it and push it like this. Use your weight. Now pull it up. Now push it back down.
that's easy.
Do it.
Wow.
Let's go see if it's time.
Get back up, Bubba.
Now let's go grab the other one.
Look at the door
Come on, Jackson.
in the corner.
I know, that little spider, it's fine.
Little spider.
That handle on. Bring it up.
Can you bring it over here to me, buddy?
Go bring it to mom.
Okay, I'm changing phones. Oh, it's got my house.
Yeah. That'll hurt.
Can you put it next to the other one? Right there? That's good. Watch your toes, Ash.
Hey, Mom.
Yeah.
Figured out in my videos, I figured out how to like take out the noise in the background.
Good job.
Gotta turn it. Twist it to the left. Oh.
Wow, you did that. You guys changed my oil. Thank you. Now, you guys are gonna do it from now on,
You
right?
can get free oil now.
Well, no, you gotta pay for the oil.
So,
And then you gotta test it.
like buy a million.
Yeah, you guys wanna go test it, make sure it drives? Don't you test it?
I didn't put oil in.
Oh, just kidding, duh.
I wanna drive it.
Yeah, I'm like, as I'm watching you put the oil.
Hey, Daddy, can
Silly.
we like drive at this friend? Because I wanna drive, so.
He's got the wrench.
Daddy, here's
He was
another
totally into that.
Totally.
I'm strong enough to hold this.
Yeah. Yeah, he's like, what do I touch? What can I put my hands on?
What did I do? He knows what he's doing. There you go.
What are you doing,
Yeah,
Jax?
put it on there. Got it.
What is that? What's under there?
I'm fixing it.
Exhaust.
You're fixing my exhaust?
See? That's the right
Yeah, no, I
size.
see it. I didn't want him loosening it.
He won't get it loose.
You don't know how.
Yeah,
Bolts are always
until he
rough.
puts his whole weight on it. Boy.
Right.
Let's just test it out, make sure it'll start up, you know. Let's test her out. All right, nice job, guys. All right, oh, I need to do something about those nails. Oh, let's do that right now. All right, guys, so this is my little, like, I don't know, vanities, nail studio, whatever that I call it. And so I keep all of my like nail supplies and stuff in like these tubs, things I've purchased, kits, gels, acrylics, stencils, and all that stuff. But then I have this really awesome clear storage thing, which I absolutely love clear acrylic storage. It's like my favorite thing. My refrigerator is filled with it. I try to use it as much as possible. And I got this actually from a company that reached out to me. I actually love it. There's like no reason whatsoever for me to have anything negative to say about it. It was super easy to put together, which I'll include some clips of me putting it together and how it works. Hey guys, so today is kind of interesting. I'm going to be showing you guys this new product that I got. It's from this company called JOffielle, I think that's how you would say it. They actually reached out to me. Now I've had a couple of companies been reaching out to me lately, and I've been turning down most of them because they have like obligations and they want me to say positive things or whatever. But I've got two companies lately that were pretty honest. They reached out, I checked out their products, the companies looked pretty good. I liked what their missions were, and they didn't give me any obligations. There was like no hassle, no red flags, nothing like that. So I'm testing out their products, and this is something I'm really excited about. I love clear acrylic storage. I use it in my kitchen, in my bathroom for all my stuff, and they sent me this. Oh my God, it's so big. It's supposed to be a little storage. Let's see here, let's sit here and put it together. Hey, hold on. Let me get you guys settled here. Okay, so. Okay. So we've got the first piece. Oh my gosh. Okay, it comes with a bunch of these little rings, something. It's pretty cool. Alright, we gotta put this little thing together here. See, it comes with these pieces. We're gonna put it together, and it will be a two-tiered system. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh my God. Looks so good. It's gonna be very gentle because these pieces are kind of thin and I don't want to break them. Okay, the rubber bands click into these little hooks, I guess. And this is like a Lazy Susan. So it's big. So these top pieces are kind of in there a little bit, but luckily because they just slide on there, you just put it on one end and using like your finger or something, pop it onto the other end. Ah, of course it's not working now, I had it a second ago. Okay, so you've got different lipstick holders here, a little bit bigger ones here, like with two larger sides here for say palettes or something. You've got some in the inner side here, it repeats here, and then down here you've got larger ones for say like your lotions or hairsprays or whatever. It's gonna be perfect, you guys. I needed this. Oh, I'm so excited. And I love it. It's keeping my like nail polishes organized. It keeps my like cleansers, my utensils, and then all my larger products have a spot. I'll link it in the description below if you're interested in it because it is amazing. And you can also get a discount by using, I believe it's Cora Create, but I'll put that on the screen as well so you can see. I don't make any money off of it. It's just a discount if you wanted to order one because I'm gonna be ordering another one. I think this would be really great in my craft room for my paint supplies. So just wanted to share that with you guys. Now it's time to get started on my nails. So I'm going to be going with my absolute favorite color here. Let me see if I can get it. Sequin Stiletto color. It's gorgeous. So I'm going to use that with my Sensational No White top coat. And I got that in a kit with the lamp and I love it, you guys. Highly recommend it. Just got home from picking the kids up from school and this month's Ipsy bag was in the mail. Oh my god, it's so cute. Astrology signs. That's cool. Oh, look at the little adorable. Let's see what's inside. Black Truffle Therapy Skin Oil. Nice. Wow, that's pretty dark. It's too dark for me. What is that, a blush? Nice color. What the heck? Moisturizing, okay.
I'll be taking this.
That's only 4 products, which means...
I
there's number 5.
didn't.
Looks like it's a Farrah brush, very cool. So I've got the Farrah brush, moisturizer, whatever, blush, very dark Smashbox. Not sure why they would send me something so dark. And then the truffle oil, which I'm excited to try because I love truffle anything. So yeah, cool. Cute little bag. Try these products out later. Oh my goodness. So I took the oil out. I just wanted to show you guys. Can you see how flippin' cool? Let me get out of the light and let that zoom in. You just see how adorable. So excited to try that one tonight. So I swatched that foundation. Like, is it really Smashbox? Come on, Ipsy. I'm too pale for that. What a waste. Anyways, yeah. If any of my friends like this product or want it, let me know. It's all yours. Tell me.
Grilled cheese with fries.
Okay.
And I actually
What are you gonna get?
mac and cheese and mixed fresh fruit.
Nice.